Welcome to yet another course of intuitive statistics and probability for data scientists course under which we will be looking into this sampling methods and sampling distribution and research methodology. So this course is part of intuitive statistics and probability for data scientist course, and this course name is intuitive sampling distributions for you. So here we will be learning about sampling methods and sampling distributions. So in the overall, if you look into the overall intuitive statistics and probability for data scientists course roadmap, so far we have completed intuitive exploratory data analysis for you course. In this we have seen introduction to statistics. In introduction to statistics we have seen what is variable, what types of variable, types of data, population sample, and then we moved on to the descriptive statistics. We have seen various descriptive statistic techniques to handle the data imputation, and then many other. So data transformation, so summarizing the data, organizing the data, and add additional category. That's what we have seen. So now we will be jumping into the intuitive sampling distributions for you course. In this we'll see research methodology, sampling methods, and sampling distribution. So that's it. We will get into the work now.